these visuals that we've got from Bahrain one more time. Clashes erupting between protesters from the Shia community and the Bahraini security forces. So these are the visuals that we've accessed, the violence. I'm not sure which exact area this is, but you can see hundreds of protesters who have come out on the ground. I can see some pockets of fire that has erupted. So attempts to maybe light things up, put them on fire via Molotov cocktails that have been thrown. And you can see that in the images where you can see people actually throwing these projectiles, Molotov cocktails, others on the street, very many hundreds of protesters who are chanting certain slogans as well. And you can see that there's an attempt at arson, at lighting fires in the street. Some spot fires have also been managed to be lit. And then, of course, are the security forces. We're being told that they have had to use some force as far as dispersing these crowds is concerned. So again, Bahrain is of course, a country that has also been caught as far as this skirmish is concerned. You can see a lot of people here in this group, whatever we can see of this footage, a lot of people, youngsters, a lot of men, but there are women as far as this protesting crowd is concerned as well. So these are the visuals coming in, and this is going to be an interesting thing to watch out for, how countries with a significant Shia population on ground manage the aftermath and the demonstrations that are now erupting since yesterday. This is in Bahrain. Several other countries have seen it, and in many cases they will have to use, of course, force. Security forces have also had to fire tear gas at a pro-Iran protest in Baghdad's green zone. That's the other breaking update that we're getting. So in more and more of these countries, this is going to take place. And this is, of course, one of those aftermaths, one of those unintended consequences that countries have to look at, even if they had no role in this conflict. They might have Shia populations and they might have ramifications on ground. We'll slip